Na-promote ang seafarer na ito nung pinag-aralan niya ang mga bagay na ito. Knowledge and execution of cargo operations. Meron po tayo sa barkong tinatawag na SQE, Operations Manual, Safety, Quality, and Environment Operations Manual. Here, stipulated kung paano gagawin ang trabaho competently and with quality sa loob ng barko. Pinag-aralan niya po yung manual na ito, and at the same time, meron din siyang in-field experience. Hindi lang siya theoretical, meron din siyang practical. Next stop na pinag-aralan niya is yung standard of reporting. Jobs reporting in clear and simple language in between the departments, pinag-aralan niya ito. Good communication of the jobs between sa senior and sa junior, pinag-aralan niya rin ito. Siyempre with years of experience. And also, nagkaroon din siya ng Safety Authorities Procedure Reference. Ibig sabihin po nato, alam niya yung proper approach on communicating sa kanyang mga senior. IMO SMCP, Standards Marine Communication Procedures. Meron po tayong manual niyan sa barko. Next up is pinag-aralan niya yung adherence to budgets. Okay, kahit po multi-billionaire yung company ninyo, may times po na kailangan may adherence tayo to budgets. Ano yun? Control of consumption sa consumable stores, spares, and provision store. Hindi siya yung gasta ng gasta sa mga spares, sa mga twerka, Loctite, whatever. Hindi. Dinidiskartehan niya kung kaya pa ba itong ayusin o kailangan na ba itong palitan. Sa Tagalog, merong diskarte. Next na pinag-aralan niya sa barko, interpersonal and interdepartmental relations. Ability to work with others on board and ashore. Adopting a participatory approach which ensures smooth operations of the vessel. And next pa niya na pinag-aralan, syempre via experience din, integration capabilities with other nationalities when present. Sa Tagalog, pakikisama. Maganda ang kanyang naging rating dito. Maganda ang kanyang naging grading sa part na ito. And isa pang pinag-aralan niya is yung paano mag-train ng subordinates. Meron tayong proper training approach sa iyong mga subordinates, especially pag yung kasama mo ay wala pang experience na OS o deck rating o officer. Ginawa niya ng paraan. Inaral niya ito. Next na pinag-aralan pa niya, health, safety, security, environmental awareness. Okay, meron po tayo SQE, environmental procedures. Okay, alam niya na, Marpol, bawal magtapon dito. Kailangan safe ang operation ko sa hatch covers. Hindi ako basta-basta. Teka, checkin muna natin yung paligid. Baka mamaya may nakaipit na, let's say, wrenches. Maybe siguro may taong nakatingin sa ibaba. Baka mamaya maipit. Next na pinag-aralan niya is adherence to company procedures. He must follow the company policy and procedure in a day-to-day duties for the operation of the ship. Depende yan sa inyo. In our case, SQE. And marami pa actually, pero binibigyan ko lang kayo ng example sa mga baguhan pa lang. And meron pa, he's also a hands-on assistance to team. He was able to organize group of people to work together. He was able to achieve well-defined job by identified group of people. He was also able to explain yung job to the team and achieve the best of the job. He had good personal relationships. He established mutual trust, willing to be led by any of the team members in case na hindi niya alam yung isang bagay. Meron siyang team spirit. Meron din siyang ability to explain yung job clearly to everyone, regardless of the department. Minsan, nagkakaroon tayo ng conflict. Sometimes meron tayong conflict sa barko. He manages it and resolves it well. Meron din siyang good vision. Shared company values with the crew. Marunong makisama, in other words. Okay? And alam kung paano i-comply ang company procedures. And he has increased his commitment on doing the job. Inayos rin niya ang kanyang appearance. You should have good personality. General appearance should be good and presentable, should be cheerful, and good sense of humor. Combine all of the efforts of this seafarer, can he be promoted? Newly promoted. These are the things that this seafarer has done para ma-promote. Now, for those of you who don't know, he was a deck rating and he was able to be promoted from AB to bosun. Now, for our deck cadets who wanted to be promoted on board the ship, I do have a playlist para sa'yo.